Hey everyone, welcome back to OdooVerse. I'm Rashika Sharma, and in today's video, we're going to learn CRUD operations in Odoo step by step. CRUD is one of the most important concepts in backend development because almost every real Odoo application depends on it, whether it's HR, inventory, sales students, or accounting. All modules use CRUD operations internally. In this video, we'll learn create, read, update, delete, and real-world examples in Odoo. So let's get started. CRUD stands for 4 basic database operations. First, create, used to add new records. Second, read, used to fetch and display existing records. Third, update, used to modify records. And fourth, delete, used to remove records permanently. These 4 operations are the foundation of every Odoo module. If you master CRUD, you can build most backend. Now, let's understand how to create records in Odoo. We use the create method. Inside create, we pass a dictionary containing field names and values. For example, name equals Ria and age equals 20. Here, self.env gives access to the model environment, and create inserts the new record into the database automatically. Odoo handles the SQL query internally for us. Now let's understand how to create records in Odoo. We use the create_i method. Inside create, we pass a dictionary containing field names and values. For example, name equals Ria and age equals 20. Here, self.env gives access to the model environment, and create inserts the new record into the database automatically. Odoo handles the SQL query internally for us. Now, let's understand update operations. To update data, first we search for the target record. Then, we use the write method. Inside write, we pass the fields we want to update. For example, changing age from 20 to 21. And one important thing, Odoo automatically saves changes to the database. No manual save query is required. Now let's understand delete operations. We use unlink to permanently remove records from the database. First, we search for the record. Then, we call unlink. But be careful. Deleted records cannot be recovered easily. That's why unlink should always be used carefully in real production systems. Now let's understand the complete CRUD workflow. Every record in Odoo follows this life cycle. Create to read, to update, to delete first. A record is created. Then, users read or view it. After that, the data may be updated multiple times. And finally, the record may be deleted if no longer needed. Understanding this workflow helps developers design clean and predictable Odoo applications. Now let's see a complete real-world example using the student model. First, create a student named Ria. Second, search for that student using search. Third, update the student's age using write. And finally, delete the student record using unlink. This is the exact workflow used in real Odoo development projects. CRUD operations are used everywhere in Odoo. For example, in ERP systems, orders are created, statuses are updated, and cancelled orders may be deleted. In employee management, new employees are added, profiles are updated, and inactive employees are archived. In inventory, products are created, stock is updated, and old products are removed. And in student management, students are enrolled, grades are updated, and records are maintained. So today we learned create, read, update, delete CRUD workflow, and real project examples. Now you understand one of the most important foundations of backend development in Odoo. In the next video, we'll learn computed fields. We'll see how Odoo can automatically calculate values inside models. So make sure you subscribe to OdooVerse. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.